Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. Today in front of me, I have the nicest pre-owned Tritoon on the market. This 2023 Bennington Q25 is powered by a Mercury 350 with less than 50 hours. This boat comes with the double bimini, electric fold-down arch. Here at the helm, you have RGB lighting, Rockford Fosgate stereo system, Simrad Go 9, wireless charging, digital throttle. On those summer days, anchor up, come hang back here on the large lounge swing back seating, lily pad steps. This boat is priced at $134,995. At an additional price, you can purchase the drop down cover and lift that comes with this boat. So give me a call at 918-676-6868 or stop by our Monkey Island store and come see it in person.